It's a new 2019 Buick Encore. Flexibility has never been more perfectly sized than with this stylish, nimble, and luxurious Encore. It comes nicely equipped with features you love: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, manual tilting steering column, Bluetooth streaming audio, manual telescoping steering column, doors and push-button start proximity key, external memory control, aluminum wheels, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and power heated mirrors. Popular Mechanics comments the Encore delivers a luxury car quiet in a handsomely designed cabin. In a Buick, you get innovative technology and sophisticated design for the real world. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
The deals won't get any better than they are every day at Ferguson Buick GMC. The customer service is great too. We are conveniently located off I-35 and West Robinson Street in Norman, Oklahoma.